Hey guys, today we're opening football packs. Now, let's go.
Nice.
Ooh, he got good card.
$1 Okay, put it next to that one. Very nice.
Going to be open
All right, your first football pack.
T. Higgins.
Here, put your pack over there. Well, it's a rookie in the middle. The rookie's in the middle.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, Dog Prescott. Harrison.
That was to the right.
Oh.
In the middle. Good job. Okay, that one's to the right. All right.
Okay,
let's go over
next
your
pack.
one. Here, put it so everyone can see it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's
Ooh,
pretty cool.
that's a
What is that one?
A Jim Hart.
Jim Hart? Cool. Ooh, what is that?
It is a rookie.
Yeah, put it in the middle.
that was a good card in the middle.
Put that one to that way. Oh no, that one in the middle. Yeah, you're right. That's a good one. Yeah. Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Cool.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yep. Good. All right.
Got Brock Bowers.
Good.
What you got next?
Yep. Put all the common ones over here.
Johnson Mingo.
Yep. Put all the rookies in the center. Good. Yep. Jerry Judy.
Judy's
That's
a
cool.
rookie.
Nice.
Devon Wilson.
Huh.
Oh, he's pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Mark Neighbors.
Good.
TJ
Cool.
Hawkins.
Go. All right, good. Open up the next one. Good job.
Oh, CeeDee Lamb.
Yeah, put that in there. Nice. Put him in the center. Ooh.
Oh, I got a rookie.
Center. Right there. Ooh, that's a cool. What is that one?
Oh, this is a.
And okay, put him right there. Nice.
Oh,
Elite
it's
series.
Hedge Johnson.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool cards, guys.
All right, open the next pack.